The state dental board is warning of a troubling trend. People posing as dentists and doing shoddy work. This could end up causing injuries or costing you a lot of money.
WRAL Investigates Sarah Kruger shares some of the horror stories that can show you what to look for.
Getting dental work in a shed, an apartment, on a couch, in a patient's living room. These are all things the North Carolina Dental Board has seen as phony dentists around the state lure in patients.
Another case in the Mecklenburg area several years ago where a guy was specializing in extractions in his garage, and he was importing drugs from other countries.
Bobby White is the executive director and legal counsel for the State Dental Board of Examiners.
That was a horrendous case as well. A number of people were hurt by him.
Oftentimes, he says the victims find the providers from social media.
And they generally, the advertisement is, we can do the same thing your dentist can do, but we can do it much less expense.
White says the dental board currently has more than a dozen injunctions filed to stop the unauthorized practice of dentistry. That's the most the dental board has the authority to do. White says they provide information to district attorneys in case they want to pursue criminal charges. He says usually they do not because of resources.
Do you have an estimate on the number of people who are getting work from these types of fake dentists?
I imagine we have just the tip of the iceberg there.
One example out of eastern North Carolina describes a mom and her two kids who all got braces in their home from Kia Foreman, who claimed to be certified but wasn't really. Court documents say the family found her on a website called Booksy. She had dental equipment and supplies in a rolling suitcase and charged only $300. The dental board filed an injunction in 2022 to try to get her to stop doing dental work. Court records show she did not stop, though. Foreman currently has pending criminal charges for another case.
You know, if it's too good to be true, it's probably not true.
So oftentimes the red flags are there. One thing the dental board advises is to look out for this. Licensed dentists are required to display their license in a visible location. It's a good sign you're at a legitimate place. Sarah Kruger, WRAL News.
If you have a story that needs an investigation, reach out to us. Email investigates@wral.com.